During this quarantine, we are all trying to be safe and not bored. So, in an attempt to remedy my own boredom, I decided to try and replace the battery in my iPhone 6s. Once I received my battery replacement kit from Amazon, I hopped to it. I want to thank Jerry Rig Everything for an extremely helpful tutorial. Power off the device and place the suction cup on the screen near the home button. Remember to remove the screws at the bottom of the phone near the charging port. Take a pry tool and work around the device to separate the screen from the chassis. Once inside, pull the screen back, but do not exceed 90 degrees because you could snap the screen cords and kill the screen. Remove the metal plate over the screen cords and keep note of where these screws go. Once the plate is removed, unclick the 3 screen cables and set the screen aside. Next, remove the metal plate above the battery cord, keep track of these as well, remove the plate, and pull up on the battery cord. Next is the trickiest, hardest part of this whole thing. Apple has adhesive pull tabs to make it easier to remove the batteries. While the first tab came out relatively easily, the second one snapped and I had to pry the battery out, like some sort of primitive ape man. I was pretty worried that I was going to puncture the battery. The original battery had a battery health of around 60%. Put the new battery in, you put adhesive or double-sided tape on the back of the battery or the chassis. Place the battery in it, plug it in to where the other one was, then plug in the screen cables. And hope and pray and cross your fingers that the screen works fine. Mine did not. At first. I went back in and pushed the screen cables out until they clicked, and voila, the screen turned on. Put the metal plates back on, drive the screws back, click the screen onto the chassis, and bingo bango, new battery time. Thanks for checking out this vid. If you'd like, I have plenty of other ones, and maybe hit a subscribe, like button, all that fancy schmancy stuff.